Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Idris bin Azman. Today, our from Group 2 are going to present about the integrated motor assist transmission, which is Honda IMA. This is for subject BMMF 3204 hybrid servicing. The instructor's name is TS Muhammad Sufyan bin Abdul Razak. And this is my team member name. Firstly is me, Idris bin Azman. Secondly is Muhammad Khalis Fikri bin Mazagi. Thirdly is Muhammad Al-Afi bin Ahmad. And lastly, Muhammad Adam bin Zaidi. Okay, firstly is introduction of the component, system and component construction. The Honda Integrated Motor Assist Transmission, which is IMA, was a pioneering hybrid system used in several Honda models between 1999 and 2013. It functions as a mild hybrid, meaning the electric motor primarily assists the gasoline engine rather than solely powering the vehicle. Here's a brief introduction to its component and construction. Okay, firstly is key components. 1.3 litre or 1.5 litre gasoline engine provide the primary power source for the system. Secondly is integrated motor assist, which is IMA motor. A compact high-efficiency electric motor mount between the engine and the continuously variable transmission, which is CVT. And thirdly is continuously variable transmission, which is CVT. Provides smooth and efficient power transfer between the engine and the wheels, allowing optimal engine operation at all speeds. And fourthly is intelligent power unit, which is IPU. Act as the brain of the system, managing battery storage, power flow, and communication between components. And lastly is nickel metal hard drive, which is NiMH battery. Store electrical energy recovered during braking and used to assist the engine during acceleration and low speed driving. Okay, next is the system construction and operation. The IMA system operates seamlessly, combining the power of the engine and motor for optimal efficiency and fuel economy. Here's a simplified breakdown. Firstly is during low speed driving and idling. The IMA motor primarily powers the vehicle, reducing engine load and emissions. Secondly is acceleration. The motor assists the engine, providing additional torque and boost for smoother and more efficient acceleration. Thirdly is cruising. The engine takes over the primary power source, with the motor occasionally assisting to maintain optimal efficiency. And lastly is braking. The motor acts as a generator, recovering energy as the wheel slow down and storing it in the battery for later use. Okay, next is benefits of IMA. Firstly is improve fuel economy. Compared to gasoline powered vehicle, IMA cars achieve significantly better fuel economy, reducing both fuel costs and emissions. Secondly is smooth and responsive performance. The electric motor's instant torque provided smoother acceleration and enhanced low speed driving experience. Thirdly is reduce CO2 emissions. By improving fuel efficiency and relying on electric powers at times, IMA contribute to lower CO2 emissions and environmental impact. Next is limitation of IMA. Firstly is limited electric range. IMA was a mild hybrid, so its electric only range was very limited, relying primarily on the gasoline engine. Secondly is higher cost. Compared to conventional gasoline powered vehicles, IMA cars had a slightly higher initial cost to the hybrid components. And lastly is the Honda IMA system paved the way for more advanced hybrid technologies and helped popularize the concept of fuel efficient hybrid vehicles. While it's no longer in production, IMA remains a noteworthy example of early hybrid technology and its contribution to reducing emission and improving fuel economy. Secondly, types, size, working principles, important terminology. Example of how code. Firstly is types. IMA parallel hybrid. The most common type directly connecting the IMA motor to the crankshaft, assisting the engine during acceleration and capturing energy during braking. Secondly is IMA series parallel hybrid, a less common configuration, allowing the IMA motor to drive the wheels independently for limited electric-only driving. Secondly is size. The IMA motor is compact, typically around 7 inches in diameter and weighing less 50 pounds. Secondly is the battery pack is also relatively small, located under the rear cargo area or passenger seats depending on the model.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khalifin Karim Mazi and I will continue the slide which is 4 point working principle. First, start up and low speed driving. The IMA motor power the vehicle initially with reducing emission and fuel consumption. Second, acceleration. The IMA motor assists the engine providing extra torque for smoother and more efficient acceleration. Third, cruising and deceleration. The engine primarily power the vehicle with the IMA motor, occasionally assisting to maintain optimal efficiency. During the deceleration, the motor acts as a generator capturing energy and charging the battery. And the last one is the braking. The regenerative braking system converts kinetic energy into electricity for the charging the battery. D. Important terminology. IMA motor, the electric motor that assists the gasoline engine. Second, IPU, Intelligent Power Unit, the control unit that manages the IMA system, including battery power, motor operation, and communication with other vehicle systems. Third is CVT, Continuously Variable Transmission, the transmission used in most IMA vehicles, allowing the engine to operate at the most efficient RPM. Fourth is regenerative braking, the power of capturing energy during braking and storing it in the battery. And the last one is axis indicator, a light on the instrument panel that show when the IMA system is providing assistance. 1E is example of fault code. First, DTC P1570 indicate a problem with the IMA battery voltage sensor. Second is DTC P1578 signal an issue with the IMA motor of its control circuit. Last point is additional notes. The IMA system typically improve fuel economy by 10 to 15% compared to conventional gasoline vehicle. It also providing smooth acceleration and reducing emission. However, IMA vehicles have limited electric-only driving capacity, and regular maintenance is crucial for optimal IMA system performance. 3. How to maintain, repair, or service the component. Service according to SOP. Maintain, repairing, and servicing the integrated motor assist transmission IMA system is a Honda vehicle should be conducted following a standard operating procedure outlined by the manufacturer. It is a general guideline that aligns with a common practice. A. Maintenance. Regular inspection. First, follow Honda recommended maintenance schedule outlined in the vehicle manual. Second, regularly inspect components such as a hybrid battery, power control unit, and electric motor for sign of wear or damage. Second, fluid check. Monitor the transmission fluid level regularly and adhere to the recommended replacement intervals. Battery health. Check the hybrid battery state of charge and health using the diagnostic tool provided by Honda. And last one is software update. Stay informed about any software update provided by Honda for IMA system update may improve efficiency and performance. B. Repair. Diagnostic tool. Use Honda improved diagnostic tool to identify specific issue with the IMA system accurately. Second, component replacement. If a component is found to be faulty, follow Honda guideline to replace for replacement, ensuring that replacement parts are genuine or compatible. Third, wiring and connection. Inspect and repair any damaged wiring or connection within the IMA system. And the last one is clutch mechanism. If equipment with a clutch mechanism, follow Honda procedure for inspection and replacing as necessary.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Al Afif bin Ahmad and I want to continue about this slide. C is service, that is firstly is authorized service center. Preferably seek service from authorized Honda service center with technician trained specifically for the IMA system. Secondly is scheduled maintenance. Adhere to the scheduled maintenance intervals recommended by Honda, including routine checks and replacement. Thirdly is fluid changes. Follow the prescribed procedure for changing transmission fluid and coolant as the manufacturer recommendation. And lastly is educate technicians. Ensure that technicians are trained and educated on the specific SOP provided by Honda for servicing the IMA system. Okay, D is replacing a faulty IMA motor. Firstly is preparation. Consult Honda official SOP for IMA motor replacement as procedure may vary by model. Gather the necessary tools and parts, ensuring compatibility with the IMA system. Put on appropriate PPE, including high voltage gloves and insulated tools. Disconnect the 12-volt battery to insulate the high voltage system. Secondly is deactivation. Follow Honda's specific instruction to deactivate the high voltage system, preventing electrical hazards. This might involve removing safety relays or disconnecting high voltage cable. Thirdly is access and removal. Carefully remove any components obstructing access to the IMA motor, following the SOP guidelines. Disconnect electrical connector and wiring harnesses from the motor, labeling them for correct reassembly. Unbolt the motor from its mounting point and carefully extract it from the vehicle. Fourth is installation of new motor. Carefully install the new IMA motor, aligning it precisely with the mounting points. Securely tighten bolts to the specified torque using a torque wrench. Reconnect electrical connector and wiring harnesses, ensuring correct polarity and matching labels. 5 is system reactivation. Follow Honda's specific instruction to reactivate the high voltage system, ensuring safety protocols. Reconnect safety relay or high voltage cable as specified in the SOP. 6 is the post-installation procedure. Perform any necessary post-installation tests or calibration outlined in the SOP. Clear any fault codes using Honda diagnostic tools. Test drive the vehicle to verify proper IMS system operation. And lastly is the documentation. Record the repair details, including part use, mileage, and date for future reference and warranty purpose. Okay, for E is the preventive measures. Firstly is avoid DIY repair. Due to the complexity of hybrid system, it is advisable to avoid DIY repair and seek professionals aid systems. Secondly is safety precautions. Adhere to the safety protocols and guidelines provided by Honda to prevent accident or injuries during maintenance or repair. Thirdly is environmentally safe disposal. Dispose of any replaced components, especially the hybrid battery, following environmentally friendly methods and in compliance with local regulations. Always refer to the official Honda service manual and guidelines specific to your vehicle model for the most accurate and up-to-date information on maintaining, repairing, or servicing the IMA system. Additionally, consult with authorized Honda service professionals for expert advice and assistance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adam bin Zaidi. Okay, I will continue this slide. Number 4, highlight safety issue must be complete during working with particular hybrid system. Also, the environmental concern if the use or broken components are not disposed properly according to the SOP. Safety and environmental concern with Honda IMA system maintenance and repair. 1. Safety. High voltage or HV hazard. The IMA system operates with voltage around 60 volts, posing serious electrical shock risk. This strict adherence to Honda's SOP and the use of appropriate PPE or high voltage glove insulated tools are crucial. Accidental activation. Deactivating the HV system before any inversion is non-negotiable. Failure to do so can lead to severe injuries or electrocution, and fire risk. Leaking fluid or improper handling of batteries can create fire hazard. Familiarize yourself with fire risk mitigation procedure outlined in the SOPs. Improper tools and procedure. Using non-compliant tools or deviating from SOP can compromise soft safety and damage components. Seek assistance from qualified technician if unsure. Number 2, environmental concerns. Battery disposal. NIMH batteries in the IMA system contain rare earth metals and require proper disposal to avoid environmental contamination. Follow Honda's guidelines for authorized recycling or disposal to ensure responsible management. Fluid leak and spill. Improper disposal of coolant, brake fluid, or other lubricants can harm the environment. Adhere to local regulation and use designated collection center for safe disposal. Component replacement. Replacing faulty components like the IMA motor generator was considered responsible electronic recycling program to minimize environmental impact. Precaution during maintenance. During routine maintenance, minimize waste generation by utilizing refillable fluid and responsible cleaning practice. Number 3, overall, prioritize safety first. Treat the IMA system with utmost respect for its high voltage and potential hazard. Follow Honda's SOP rigorously and prioritize qualified technicians for repair. Be environmentally conscious. Understand the potential environmental impact of maintenance and repair. Dispose of used or broken components responsibly and minimize waste generation. By prioritizing both safety and environmental responsibility, you can ensure responsible and sustainable maintenance of your Honda IMA system. Don't hesitate to consult with authorized Honda technician or environmental authorities for further guidance and clarification. That's all. Thank you.